Welcome to our channel. Virtual cards protect your real credit card information during trial signups. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use them safely. Step 1. Understand what virtual cards are. They're temporary credit card numbers linked to your real account but can be set with spending limits and expiration dates. Step 2. Check if your bank or credit card offers virtual card services. Many major banks like Capital One, Citi, and Bank of America provide this feature for free. Step 3. Use dedicated virtual card services like privacy.com or Revolut if your bank doesn't offer them. These platforms create disposable cards for online transactions. Step 4. Generate a new virtual card for each trial sign-up. This prevents companies from charging you after the trial ends if you forget to cancel. Step 5. Set spending limits on your virtual cards. For free trials, set the limit to $0 or $1 to block any charges beyond the trial period. Step 6. Use a unique email address for trial signups. Combine virtual cards with temporary email addresses for maximum privacy and control. Step 7. Keep track of your virtual cards and associated trial subscriptions. Note when trials end and which cards are connected to which services. Step 8. Delete or freeze virtual cards after canceling trials. This ensures you won't be charged even if the merchant attempts to bill the card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.